Hey everyone, I have another unboxing here today. This one is for a boy 2 to 4 and it has a Winnie the Pooh theme. Now I have been planning this shoebox since last year, but it's taken me a while to build this one. I had a hard time finding Pooh Bear items, and then I recently saw Trish from Birdfeed, her Winnie the Pooh shoebox that she did. It was so adorable, and I probably have watched it at least 5 times. And after watching her video, it really motivated me to want to get my Pooh Bear box done. And also, I have seen Melissa Flores, they pack these giant, well, I don't want to exaggerate, but big stuffies into the OCC shoeboxes. Now, I don't have one of their OCC shoeboxes, but I have a 6.3 quart shoebox. So it's kind of close. So I was inspired by them to try and pack a bigger stuffy into my toddler shoeboxes and try to get a lot of other good things in there too. I remember Melissa Flores, she packed one not too long ago where it had a large stuffy and a blanket. So that was a really cool shoebox. Now I have put 2 of these big rubber bands on here. I've already taken one off. This Pooh Bear in this box, he is very full of fluff, so he doesn't have a lot of air in him. And I did have to take a couple things out, but for the most part, this is my shoebox with a large stuffy. Alright, right here at the top, he has his, see, he's already starting to fluff up. He has his notebook, and this kind of reminded me of honeycombs. So it's just a nice workbook for a toddler. And then I will take out the big bear. Like I said, he's very full of fluff. I found him at a Pharmasave, actually. I was going in just to purchase something medical, and he was just in a bin. And ironically, I found him the day after I first watched Trish from Birdfeed's Winnie the Pooh video. So I thought that was pretty cool. But he's very soft. His shirt feels like velvet, and I really hope he brings a lot of comfort to the little boy. So I'll just show you his box. I just kind of built everything around him. Like I said, I wasn't able to get a cup in here. I originally tried to, so I had to make a decision between a cup or Flipflops. So I chose the Flipflops, and they are yellow. He has a little piglet to accompany him. There's a little bit of piglet in his shoebox here. He has a Crayola sharpener here that can also sharpen crayons. He has a little nail clipper in here, and this fit perfectly in here just to put the little picture instructions. He has his ball to play with. And of course he has red and yellow as his main theme. Toothbrush. He has these colors and shape Pooh cards that I found at the Dollar Tree. And of course Pooh Bear is hugging Piglet. And this is what the, this is so cute, this is what the cards look like. There's Piglet, Eeyore. My mom is a big fan of Eeyore. She just thinks he's really cute. Tigger. I still wanted to be able to give him a car, and of course it's yellow. This just came from Dollarama. And I think it goes with the Disney theme from Disney Cars. He has one of these cute red and yellow Etch-a-Sketches. I love putting these in my shoe boxes. He has this really cute mask, and it has little honeybees on it. This came from Carter's Place. He has a little red whistle or flute, whatever you want to call it, little musical instrument. He has this cute little jingle bell on a yellow necklace. A little washcloth, a pad of paper that he can doodle on, and one of the other things I found just a couple days after I found my Pooh Bear, I found this at Dollarama, and it's Piglets Winter Day. I like to add winter scenes into my boxes whenever I can. And this is a very unique book because it's like an accordion. So it comes out, I can't really show it all on the camera, but Piglet heads out for the day and it's already kind of blustery, and then it turns into snow and winter as he keeps walking. And then if you turn this over, there's more pictures on the back of the book, and there's Pooh Bear sledding, little Kanga, Piglet ice skating. So this is just a really cool book that I found at Dollarama. And then he has his waterproof pencil pouch, and I just added in a little notepad for him. His tote bag is yellow. It's not honey, but it's homemade lemonade on there with little lemons. I was not able to fit in a coloring book, so I just gave him some pictures to color. And I think he has a little bit of Christmas in his box. As you can hear, we live right next to a train track, and there's a little bear there. I think this is the first time this has happened with the train. And then I just put these two markers on, and I put them like this so that he could see that he could, stack them up. This one is bite-sized lemon, which goes with his tote. And this one is golden nugget. Very Pooh Bear colors. He has a jumbo red eraser. He has two of these these are good for toddlers' hands. I found these at the Dollar Tree. So he has two of those jumbo pencils, and then a regular pre-sharpened Stettler pencil, and then some colored pencils. And then I put this little skateboard picture on his pencil pouch. And then I gave him some more skateboard Pooh Bear stickers of his own. This one has Piglet and Pooh Bear with a little heart balloon. Here's a little bit of that Christmas Pooh, Baby Pooh and Piglet. Just really cute. There's a bee on that one. And this is how I felt trying to pack this shoebox. And then at the bottom, he has this cute Disney Baby Bumpkins food grade pouch. This just reminded me, Val from V. Swain, she also did a really cute Pooh Bear box. And I think she did many Pooh Bear boxes. But she had the same exact tote bag in her Pooh box. And I just ordered this last year on Amazon. And then inside he has a pair of these nice body glove socks, as well as a pair of size 4 underwear. And then the very last thing on the bottom is this construction paper book that I made him. I just folded it in half. Well, I folded it in half, punched holes, and then just added some cotton string. There's quite a few pages for him to color on or use as stickers. So yeah, he took up a lot of space, but that's what I was able to do with this, pretty standard size shoebox. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll talk to you later.